Man, he had took a shot.
God damn.
Y'all was a little. I'm gonna show what we laughing at. He played, man.
Soon as he came on, he fell down the dark.
Now this one goes out to my sweetness. I like to call it look past my grill. Let's go.
What it do, gang? Back at it again with another video, man. You ain't did so already. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I drop one of these videos, man. A lot of y'all already know who this is, man. He get crazy about a day, but...
What up, bitch?
Man, see what I'm talking about, man? I had to come down here for a minute because we've been talking about this for so long, man. We never did it, but, you know, we strongly considering doing it, man. So, you know, I just got to see if he gonna, you know... Actually, dude, he'll say one thing.
Well, I told that son bitch to fix that motherfucking car. That his motherfucking fault. I told that heavy lifting motherfucker to do it. With your bitch pressing ass.
It ain't my fault, man. If y'all want to know what he talking about, man, see, I'm gonna show you. See, now this car got a 76. Yeah, I don't know why I keep saying 67, but this car got a history behind it, man. So check this out, right? This is a 1976 Dodgecharger. Now, I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around this whole entire car. It's a classic car now, you know. I mean, it needs some work now. It needs some work. It need a whole lot of work. But you know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing that can't be done now. The backstory of this car, man. This was my daddy's car when he was in high school. Now, like I said, this is a 1976 Dodge Charger. When this car first came out originally, it had a 360 in it, didn't it? 340. It had a 340 Magnum motor in it. So time went on, man. I don't know why he sat that car down, man. But when he did, you know, it sat down for some years. So fast forward, when I was in high school, you know, I was in an auto mechanics trade school course, and we found a van. Well, that van had a 318 in it, didn't it? It had a 318 in it. It had headers, but the headers wasn't clear in the engine bay, so we didn't get a chance to put the headers on. But so we took the van down to my auto mechanic class. So we took the engine out the van, and we swapped the engine out. Well, this engine was no good, so it really wasn't no swap. But we took the engine out the van, and so we just had to use the regular manifolds on the car that was already here because the headers weren't clear, and we put the motor in. Now, everything, man, we changed the lock for the ignition. We put the battery in here. I think we had to add a new starter. Little minor stuff, man. And so, by the car sitting up so long, all the fuel lines and stuff was rotted out. So really want to know, you know, gas to travel back and forth. I think we ended up putting a new gas tank in here too, but the fuel line was still rotted out. So after we dropped the motor and everything, we slapped the carburetor on top of it, and we poured a little gas in the carburetor. Those of you who know about cars, you know if you pour a little gas inside that carburetor and crank these cars up, they'll stay cranked for like, you know, a good 10, 12 seconds or so. And that's what we did just to see this car run, because like I said, it ain't ran in years. So we did that, man, and so right now, just let me see if I can still. You think this hood is still pop? Ain't no snakes in none of here. Shoot, man. I'm not saying what's in this car, man. A dead cat might come up out this mouth. That's what the inside looked like, man. Yeah, they had the shag seat covers. Man, you couldn't tell them nothing, man. Had some MTX 12 terminators in here on a Sherwood amp. Had the shag seat covers, shag steering wheel. You can still see the doggone breather back there we had. Let me see if I can, I'm trying to figure out how you pop. Oh, there you go. Hold on, gang. Pop just had knee surgery, y'all, so you got to excuse me if you walking like a little cripple. Hey, man, the people love you, man.
Well, tell the people to bring their punk ass out here and help you with this motherfucking hood.
Well, look, man. See, that's why y'all need to go ahead and watch my videos. you know what I'm saying, get these views up so we can get some money, man, so we can go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, restore this
Go
car.
pull the goddamn thing so I can open the hood.
Pause. Pause.
Shit, he gonna take it, man.
See that what I'm talking? Like I just said, man, let me turn the camera and try to get the hood open, gang. I forgot that's the way we had to open the trunk, man. We had to, it's gonna sound crazy, but we had to fill the hole and put it in.
Motherfucker shit, nigga, we black.
We call it Afro engineering.
That's right.
Now I still know how to do that. Don't let me go out there and don't let me do it. Hold it, I do it.
Don't worry about
It look like you lost your touch.
That's what she said.
Man.
This shit right there.
Man. That ain't gonna do my makeup mad.
Ain't lying, that motherfucker
Man,
short.
let me try it,
That
man.
motherfucker short.
That's what he used to beat me with when I was a child, yo.
I beat your
I'll
ass.
just play.
I beat your ass with it now.
Man, it's a big old engine, babe. All right, man, we finally got the hood open. So, as y'all can see, man, the engine's still right there, 318. Still got the carburetor on there, man. I wonder, well, if it was up to me, I would have went with a 4-barrel.
But it wasn't up to you. What the fuck is you talking about? You gonna buy me a 4-barrel we put on
It need more than a 4-barrel.
Yeah. The engine transmission good though.
Yeah, engine transmission good, man. Just a little supporting things, man.
Yeah, I came out here and turned it over, put a battery and turned it over.
I know we're gonna need some, man, the upgraded wiring. Man.
Yeah, she gonna need all that shit.
Yeah, the condenser going to hell.
It ain't coming back.
I bet these hoses still. No,
the hose good.
The hose don't even see it. I'm surprised. I would have thought the hose probably would have been rotted.
No, they good.
Hose is still good. That's crazy.
But yeah, she will turn over.
Now I do remember replacing these battery cables and
She will
up
crank
here,
up.
pretty
She
good.
will crank up.
We ain't got no gas. I would say do it, but we ain't got no gas. You got some gas?
Yeah, it might be something in store shit.
Or you don't feel like doing all that?
I ain't think you can do it.
You got the key?
Where we get the battery from?
Oh, they ain't got no battery. I ain't finna hook no battery on my car and do all that.
I ain't finna take it out my damn truck, nigga.
Well, see, y'all just want to see it crank. y'all get the picture, man.
If I don't, I find the body for it. But I want to keep the same.
It's
I want to
just-
keep the same body, man.
It's just that
kinda,
value.
It's kind of sentimental. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
I
I
feel
had
you,
it
man.
since I was in 11th grade in high school.
See, that's probably how he got my mama. I don't want to
did.
think about
I
that
did.
shit, man. Anyway,
Bumping down the street, coming up through the hood.
hey, I'm gonna go there and harass my grandma in a minute. My grandma
Get
stay
your
over there.
head cussed out.
I know she see me over here.
Yeah. You go to mess with the grandma if you want to. She gonna cuss your ass slap out. You and your goddamn fans.
Hey, but nah, look, man. I think this gonna be a father-son project, man. So, you know, I'll just give y'all a quick little walk around of what we got going, man. But y'all want to see her do this, man?
But see, I put new distributor on, new wires, new plugs already in here.
Yeah, because that distributor we put that on there. Yeah, so that's
Why is you
new.
hollering?
I don't know. I gotta have to do it.
God damn. yeah, that's the Fuck.
What about the belts? You think the belt's still good? But that's like a little minor stuff you can replace anyway.
Goddamn belt. The belt ain't been worked. The belt is damn car ain't been moved. Brand new damn belt.
Hey man, this nigga gonna start talking to me like I'm crazy. No. Now you ain't gonna be able to close it. You can call it trunk, man. But yeah, gang, so, hey, let me ask y'all this. All right. What y'all think? Original color, back with the yellow pinstripes like it got, see how it go on?
It's gold, no damn yellow. It was two-tone burgundy and red with gold pinstripe.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, we know you sorry.
Gold with two-tone burgundy and red pinstripes. Might
Paint, bitch. Not no damn burgundy pinstripe.
Man, ain't your knee hurting or something? Hey, but look though, man, for real though. All right, two-tone burgundy and red, gold pinstripes. Do y'all think it should go back to the original color, or y'all think I should put another color on here? And if so, what color you think? What color you think, man?
Same color here now.
he want to go back the same color, but I don't know. You know, if we do, it's gonna have to be like a candy. It's gonna have to be a wet paint. It's gonna have to be wet. Paul. That's all I got for real, man. So, you know, y'all drop some comments, man. Tell me what y'all think. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this back up because somebody had bust one of the windows. Probably one of these little bad ass children around here or something. But this and don't nobody still know what happened to my dog, but I ain't even finna get on that. But yeah, man, so y'all drop some comments down below, man. Y'all my bad. My bad, dog. I'm gonna try to dress it up a little bit, so there we go. Won't rain in there. Yeah, there we go. All right, man. Y'all drop some comments, man. I'm finna put it back on there now. Yeah, that's, see? Put it back on here. Hold that bad boy down like that. We good to go. So y'all drop some comments down below, man. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe if y'all haven't done so already, because this probably gonna be a future project car. So y'all wanna see it, y'all let me know, man. So meantime, in between time, y'all stay tuned, gang. What I always say, you feel me?
Baby Rufus, woo, and I don't really know why. I could go to the dentist, my mama named me Rufus, but that ain't gangster. My mama named me Rufus. I'm still rocking my gold Rufus. My mama named me Rufus, woo, and I don't really know why. I'm fighting these ladies off. My mama named me Rufus. They want all this sugar. My mama named me Rufus. Got me going deep up in my prayer room. My mama named me Rufus. One last time. And I don't really know why. Woo!
Man, this is what I be having to deal with.